Handwriting is a natural mode of communication for young children. They have a strong sense of right and wrong, fair and unfair, and this is evident as they tattle about injustices they've witnessed or personally experienced. It's also how they often frame requests or proposals, like, "Can we have a little longer for recess since it's such a nice day? Can I go first since it's my birthday?" Point out to students that each of these statements is intended to persuade and follows a what and why organization. Persuasive writers focus on what they think, followed by why they think it. The beginning of a persuasive piece always includes what the writer wants or thinks about a topic. If we use a train as a visual trigger to depict idea development, what the writer thinks or his opinion serves as the train engine. In the primary grades, these what statements often start with sentence frames. For example, "I think dogs are the best pets. My favorite restaurant is McDonald's. I feel that Bluey is the cutest character." While these sentence starters aren't necessary, they do tend to prompt students to not just tell information, but to reveal a preference or make a choice. All persuasion includes the writer sharing his opinion or stating a preference. And while everyone is entitled to his own opinion, persuading someone to agree with a particular position requires that the writer explain his thinking by offering support. Explain that a writer gives the reader details for why he thinks what he thinks. And he writes these on the middle cars that come after the train engine. While coming up with what you think may be easy, it's harder to come up with why you think it. A powerful strategy to help students think of these why details is to have them picture the choice in their heads. Model how you close your eyes and imagine yourself doing things with a dog, the best pet, or looking at a picture of Bluey, the cutest character, or sitting at McDonald's, your favorite restaurant. Think aloud about, why do I want this? Why do I think this? Why should I get this or have this? These specifics will become the why I think it details. Start with one why detail, then gradually increase to 2 and 3. Explain that more details help persuade the reader. Model where to add these written or drawn details within the middle cars. Now, I want to point out a subtle but significant instructional point. Avoid calling the why reasons. Although some primary standards may mention reasons, think of this as more generic for the word supporting details. K1 writers do include small, specific why details. For example, the opinion, "Dogs are the best pets," may be supported by "they lick you," "they play fetch," "you can take them for a walk." This is exemplary persuasive writing from a K1 student who provided 3 why details. But he did not provide 3 reasons. When students hit the intermediate grades and beyond, reasons represent paragraphs. The reason serves as a topic sentence with small details and specific examples described in supporting sentences. A reason is based on several smaller why details that are grouped together, like "they lick you" can be combined with "they lie by your feet" and "they follow you from room to room." And together, these support a broader reason. One reason is because dogs show love. While this process is far too complex for K1 writers to do, it's the rationale for primary teachers to define the support that they can provide as details and not reasons. Remember, the instruction provided in the primary grades is preparing students to write future paragraphs. Waiting to introduce the term reasons until grades 2 and up helps avoid students' future confusion. Although the what and why text structure doesn't specifically reference the content of the ending, young writers are expected to provide a sense of closure. Continuing the train analogy, this is the caboose. And one common option is to end by restating the opinion. K1 writers could also share how they would feel if their proposal or request was granted. And for students who are writing a review or recommendation, this is where they might include their star ranking or thumbs up, thumbs down rating. By teaching K-1 students the what and why persuasive structure, they can begin expressing and supporting their own opinions with confidence and clarity.